As my first day officially back into the kitchen, I decided to make a barbacoa because I'm planning on making a lot of dishes with this meat since technically I'm still adapting to my new schedule and I'm just gonna be a little lazy. The reason why I keep saying my new schedule is because I was so used at the schedule I had before, and now that we have 3 kids doing 3 separate things, it gets really hard, especially when you're trying to be a 100% involved parent and being in 3 different spots besides running a business and taking care of your home and being a wife. It gets so hard, guys. So I have 8 pounds of chuck roast that we're gonna cut into 3-inch chunks. We're gonna make an adobo using all the ingredients we're gonna list on the screen, and then we're gonna add it to the pot, add some water, along with all the other ingredients I'm listing on the screen. Now we're gonna simmer this for about 2 hours until the meat is nice and soft. Then we're gonna make a salsa verde and a fresh pico so we can make tacos, or we can serve like this for dinner. Following day for breakfast, I decided to make some barbacoa stuffed chilaquiles. So I went ahead and separated the beef from the broth, and then with the leftover salsa verde, I added some of the consomme so we can thin it out. And this is gonna be the sauce that we're gonna drench our chilaquiles in. I'm gonna mix equal parts maseca in hot water, and then we're gonna knead the dough for about 5 minutes. With your cheese of choice, you're gonna mix it into the meat, and then you're gonna amasarlo until it turns into like a masa. Whenever you put it onto your tortilla, it doesn't come apart. You're gonna form your tortilla, add your stuffing, then you're gonna close it like an empanada, and then split it in half so it can seal all edges. Fry it up until it gets nice and crispy, and then you're gonna pour your consomme and your salsa verde that you made, some queso fresco, a little bit of onion and cilantro, some pickled onions, and then drizzle some crema. And oh my god, guys, it is so freaking good.